We will do reasoning.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, good afternoon. We will continue with the topic directions in reasoning.
Sir, no. Sir, today reasoning.
Okay. So
Sir,
I will share my screen and I will show you a question. You all need to note down this question in your copies. Okay. Everyone note down the question in
thank
your
you, sir.
copy and then start doing it, and then you can give your answer in the chat box. This is the question.
Sir, what is this K? Sir, 2 minutes.
Write the question in your copies. Write the question in your copies, all of you, and then start doing it in your, and then start doing it, and then give me the answer.
Sir, L is left or a person name.
ये क्या कर रहे हो पार्थ? क्या कर रहे हो ये?
Excuse me, sir.
It is the name of a person. K is the name, L is the name of a person, M is also the name of a person. Okay, these are names. Parth, what are you doing?
Sir, I am writing.
ये फोन से क्या कर रहे थे?
Sir, 2 minutes. Then take out my copy. Sir, only 2 minutes.
Sir, what is this?
Yes, have you all written the question?
Yes, sir.
Give your answer in the chat box.
No, sir.
जल्दी करो यार, इतना टाइम लगाओगे. You will do take so much of time in writing one question.
Sir, I have written and now I am just.
Sir, I have.
Sir, you tell who is the first one to give the answer.
Okay. Okay, I'm now going to stop sharing my screen.
Sir, please check my answer in the chat box.
Sir, I taken a screenshot of your questions, sir, because in the reasoning, these questions can like come.
You have to write down the questions in your copies. बेटा स्क्रीनशॉट लेने की जरूरत क्या है? इतनी देर में तो 4 बार आप क्वेश्चन लिखते।
Sir, I have written also and sir taken the screenshot also.
हाँ, वेरी गुड। कॉपी में लिखना लिख लिया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। The correct answer, only one student has given the correct answer. The answer is east. East is the right answer. Let me show you how you have to do this. So we are talking about L. L is starting at a particular point. K is 40 meters southwest of L. So हम L के respect में बात कर रहे हैं. Suppose L is standing at this point. ऊपर क्या होता है? North होता है. Then left side is west. Right side is east. And downwards it is south. So K is standing 40 meters in the southwest direction. K is standing in the southwest. This is southwest direction. मैंने आपको कल बताया था southwest direction क्या होती है. So this is southwest. K is 40 meters southwest of L. M is 40 meters southeast. M कहाँ पर है? M is 40 meters southeast. This is southeast direction. South और east के बीच में. Southeast कहाँ होगा? Between south and east. So M is standing 40 meter in the southeast direction. 40 meters again. So आपको बताना है where is M standing with respect to K. K के respect में M कहाँ पर खड़ा है? अगर हम K के respect में बात करें तो K के कहाँ खड़ा है? In the east direction. या right side में क्या होता है? K के right में है M. तो right side में क्या होता है? East. East is the answer. Clear or not? Right side में कौन सी direction है? East. K के right में है. That means east. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you the next question now. Be ready. I will share my screen. Just a minute. This is the next question. Note down the question in your copies. Note down the question in your copies and then give your answer in the chat box. I am giving you only 2 minutes for noting down the question and giving the answer as well. Only 2 minutes. I hope you all have written the question and given the answers. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. So let me tell you the solution of this. All of you look at the board.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. Only with 2 minutes.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Sir, see my answer, sir. I send it to you.
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay, so first of all, the question is Let me see the question.
Sham walks.
So we will
Sham
plus
walks. Sham walks 5 kilometers to the east. Then he turns right. Then he turns left, and then he and finally and then walks 6 kilometers, and finally he turns the left. So sorry.
Sir, I have
Then
written.
finally turns the right,
Start
and
this.
then he walks 6
Ram
kilometers.
walks 5 and then
Remain
turns
quiet, all of
and
you.
walks
Shyam walks 5 kilometers
again.
towards east. So Shyam has started from this point. He walks 5 kilometers towards east direction. So let us suppose that he started from point A. He walks 5 kilometers in east direction, and then suppose he reaches point B. ठीक है? पहले तो इतना चला. And then he turns left. अब अगर इधर walk कर रहा है तो श्याम का left कहाँ पर होगा? Obviously इस direction में होगा. He turns left and walks how much? Then he walks 6 kilometers, and then suppose he reaches point C. Then he takes a right turn. उसके बाद उसने right turn ले लिया. अगर ऊपर जा रहा है तो right कहाँ पड़ेगा? This direction will be right. So he takes a right turn and walks 9 kilometers.
9 kilometers.
And suppose he reaches point D. Then finally he takes a right turn and walks 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers chala, and finally he reaches point E. This is his final point, E. Okay. So from his starting point to his final point, what is the distance and what is the direction? He is in the
Sir, I have sent it the answer.
he is in the east direction first.
Submit plus.
Okay, what is this direction? This is
Sir,
he
So
is
now we will
walking in
plus
east
it and the
direction.
answer will come
And what is
26.
the total distance? 5 plus 9. Plus 9 already. This is 9 kilometers.
Yes,
5
sir.
plus 9. That means 14 kilometers. So
5
this
plus 9, 14.
so answer is 14 kilometers east. Answer is 14 kilometer east direction. अगर डायरेक्शन नहीं पूछी है तो वैसे तो डायरेक्शन पूछी नहीं है इन्होंने यहाँ पर. Only the distance you have to tell. So that distance between the starting and the final point, the distance is 14 kilometers.
so my answer is 40. Sorry, sir. Means the 26 answer.
Yes, sir, my answer is also 26.
Sir,
Okay.
my also is 26.
Now the next question. I will share it on my screen, all of you.
Okay, sir. Sir, please send it in chat box.
Note down the question.
Here. Okay, sir, village.
Again, I am giving you only 2 minutes to do the question. Note down the question, all of you. Note it down and do it in your copies. And send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, it stopped the share.
Sir, I sent the answer. Sir, please see my answer.
Sir, I have also sent it earlier only. Sir, please check my answer.
Sir, please check all of us first.
In the chat box. Sir,
Sir, your mic is muted.
I'm sorry. I was saying that first let me explain the question and then I will tell who has given the correct answer. So the question starts from here. Q is in the north direction of P. P के north में है Q. तो upward direction हो गई. Q का position हो गई above P. And then next statement is the village R is in the east of village Q. R कहाँ पर है? Q के east में है. East कहाँ होता है? Right side में होता है. So here it is village R in the east direction. Okay. Q के east में है वैसे तो. Now the village S is to the left of village P. Village P के left में है village S. So here is S on the left side of village P. P के left ये हुआ. Right P का कौन सा हुआ? East में हुआ. So S is on the left side of village P. In which direction is the village S with respect to R? R के respect में अगर हम बात करें S की, तो what is this direction? ये डायरेक्शन कौन सी है? R के रेस्पेक्ट में अगर S की डायरेक्शन हम बात करें तो कौन सी है? R के डाउनवर्ड्स, दैट मींस वी हैव टू गो इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ये R है और यहाँ पर S, somewhere here. So this direction is, you all know, this is west. नीचे क्या होता है? साउथ होता है.
the answer is correct.
तो आंसर क्या हुआ? साउथ वेस्ट इज द आंसर. R की ये वाली डायरेक्शन में जाना है आपको ऐसे करके. So this is south
Sir,
west.
now check our answer. Answer tell who has given the correct answer and who is the one to give the first answer.
So Parth Gupta is the only one who has given the correct answer. Southwest.
Yes.
बाकी सबने सही आंसर नहीं दिया. Very good, Parth Gupta. Only one student has given.
Thank
the
you, sir.
Excellent.
Sir, next
Yes.
answer I will also give that.
Sorry. Okay, next question. I will share my screen. Just a minute. This is the next question. You all need to note down this question in your copies. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Note down the question and do it. Write the answer in the chat box. Do it and write the answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Have you all done the question?
Yes, sir, and send it in the group chat box also. Sir, please check my answer.
Okay. I will give you the solution first and then we will check the answers. I will check the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the question is, a man walks 5 kilometers towards south and then turns left to the right and then turns to the right. A man walks 5 kilometers in south. So he started from point A and he walks 5 kilometers towards south. Suppose he reaches point B and then he turns right in the right direction, right ये वाली direction हो गई, यहाँ मुड़ गया. And then he walks. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left. 3 किलोमीटर तक चला राइट मुड़ने के बाद, एंड आफ्टर वॉकिंग 3 किलोमीटर्स, किलोमीटर्स और मीटर्स, किलोमीटर,
Okay. One
kilometer.
minute.
Then he, after walking
Yes,
3
sir,
kilometers, he turns left. अब इसका लेफ्ट कहाँ होगा? नीचे होगा. Then
And
he
walks
turns
5
left.
kilometers.
He turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Again कितना चला? 5 kilometers he walks. And after turning left, so suppose he reaches point D. Now in which direction is he from the starting place? अगर हम starting place से compare करें, तो आपको ये वाली डायरेक्शन बतानी है. What is this direction? A और D को कंपेयर करना है. A से D की डायरेक्शन बतानी है. What is as compared to A? What is the direction of D? So it is again the answer is, ये डायरेक्शन क्या होती है? ये आपकी साउथ होती है. ये वाली डायरेक्शन क्या होती है? ये वेस्ट होती है. तो आंसर क्या है? साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. Answer is southwest. Very easy question. So
And so given the first answer and correct.
the first one to give the answer is सार्थक. जिसने पहले आंसर दिया ये कौन है? Shatakshi, sorry. Shatakshi has given the correct answer. Only Shatakshi has given the correct answer. No one else. Very good, Shatakshi.
Thank you, sir.
So this is it for this class. Okay, all of you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, I have made the chat.